Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday, which means that we are back at CVS to go over the best digital couponing deals of the week. Before we get started, there is an amazing Blue Apron deal that I wanted to share with you guys. This past week, I have been supplementing my regular home cooked meals with some meal kit meals from Blue Apron. I got my first box that was 2 people for 2 meals per week. So just 4 extra meals that I can supplement whenever I don't want to come up with something to cook from scratch or from ingredients that I'm buying from the grocery store. And I paid just $14.96 with free shipping to get 4 meals delivered and not have to think about the recipe that I'm going to cook when I'm shopping at the grocery store. It's such a good deal. It breaks down to like $3.50 per meal, which is amazing. It's cheaper than eating on the dollar menu, and it's cheaper than grocery shopping for sure. So if you guys want to try that out, it's a cute activity to do with your husband or your boyfriend, your significant other, your kids. It's just super fun to do as like a family or a date activity. I'll have it linked in the description box down below to score that $14.96 first Blue Apron box. So without further ado, let's get into the video. If your store carries the Thanksgiving Fall Fest items, they are marked at 50% at my store, but they're actually ringing up at 75%. So you have a good chance of getting these for 75% off. There's some really cute items. I feel like I have enough decoration, so I don't need to buy more, but maybe you'd be interested in getting some of these items for super cheap. Dog treats are buy one get one 50% off this week, and we have some high value printable and digital coupons. The first deal that you can do is on the Beggin' strips. These are $5.19 at my store. Buy one get one 50% off makes 2 of them just $7.78. And if you guys go to coupons.com, there is a 6 off 2 printable coupon that you can print. That's super high value. No digital coupon needed. That will make 2 bags of dog treats just $1.78. Of course, my store only had 1 bag in stock, but I honestly may come back later this week for this deal because it's so good. We also have a double dip deal on the Purina Busy Bones as long as your store has them priced at least at $6 even or higher. My store has them priced at $6.29, so that's perfect. I'm going to grab 2 of these at buy one get one 50% off, makes 2 of them $9.43, and use a 3 off 2 printable coupon from coupons.com. As long as your cashier scans that before they hit total when the digital coupons apply, a 3 off 2 digital will also double dip and come off, leaving you to pay just $3.43 for both. Honestly, this week I'd probably recommend using the 6 off 2 printable coupon for the Beggin' strips because it's just overall a better deal, but if you prefer these Busy Bones, that's still a really good deal as well. You guys, look what I just found at my CVS. They have pet steps for $19.99. I feel like that's actually kind of a good deal. You could use your % off CRTs. I have a corgi and he just jumps up on the couch, but I just thought this was so cute. Next up, let's get into a spend 30 get 10 extra buck transaction. I'm going to do P&G laundry because, first of all, every single week we don't have spend 30 get 10s, and I feel like the laundry deals have really been lacking. If you guys have pngoodeveryday.com, one of those accounts, you guys can do this deal. If you're not already signed up, I have the link in the description box down below to sign up and get some bonus points. We're going to be using the digital coupons, the OTC network coupons from pngoodeveryday.com. So what you're going to do is grab a big Downy 103 ounce for $13.49, one of the big Tide Pods that are $13.49, and then one of the Gain Flings that are $5.49. Your total for those 3 items comes to $32.47. For digital coupons, you can clip a $1.50 digital coupon for the Gain. I also have a $3 digital coupon clipped for the Tide Pods that's attaching to these Tide Pods. Now, I know they are working in conjunction with the OTC network credits, OTC network gift card, OTC network coupons, whatever you want to call them. And I did already have this clipped, so we'll see if it ends up coming off alongside the OTC network coupons. And then you're going to go to pgoodeveryday.com, go to the coupon section, go to digital coupons, clip all the digital coupons there, and then enter your phone number to have it sent to your phone. It'll text you a link, you click on that, select CVS, and then you have a barcode, and your cashier just scans that barcode as a gift card at the very end of the transaction. They enter in the month and the year expiration, and then $10 in those OTC network coupons should apply. It's $5 for the Downy and $5 for the Tide Pods. So after all those coupons coming off, if the $3 Tide Pods also comes off, I should be left to pay $17.97, getting back my $10 extra buck for spending $30 before coupons. Makes my final cost for all 3 laundry products just $7.97. Caliber tape is buy 3 get a $5 extra buck, and as you guys can see in the top right here, the scotch is in the wrong spot, but you see it says Caliber tape at $2.09. Those should be there. Unfortunately, my store is out of stock, but you can grab 3 of those, totaling $6.27. Earn back a $5 extra buck, makes 3 rolls of tape, perfect in time for Christmas, just $1.27 for all 3. If you'd rather, you can also get the caliber packing tape at $2.49. 3 of those would be $7.47. Earning back your $5 extra buck would make 3 of those just $2.47. Next up, we have a deal on the Carmex Weather Guard. These single lip balms are priced at $3.29 at my store, but they may be priced as low as $2.99 at your store. You'd grab 2 of them, totaling $6.58. These are buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck this week. So after getting back the $3 extra buck and submitting to Ibotta for 75 cents back on each one that you buy, getting a total of $1.50 back from Ibotta, that would make your final cost just $2.08 for both Carmex, or $1.04 each. And if you guys don't already have Ibotta, it's linked in the description box down below to get a $5 bonus when you sign up. We have such a fire deal on Lysol wipes. I'm so excited that we've been getting Lysol wipe deals like every single week at CVS. It's time to stock up because I feel like they're only on promotion really cheap from like December to January. So definitely do this deal every week that you can. These are buy one get one 50% off this week at $5.99, and then they're buy 2 get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of them, totaling $8.98. For one of them, use a $1 printable coupon from coupons.com, and then for the other one, use a $1 digital coupon. You should be left to pay $6.98, earning back your $3 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta. My account had $1.50 rebates up to a limit of 5, but my boyfriend's account had $2 rebates. So if you have the $2 rebates, you'll get back a total of $4 from Ibotta, making your final cost completely free for 2 Lysol wipes. Of course, you guys, this week my luck was so bad. My store only has 1 of these Lysol wipes in stock, but I'm definitely going back later this week, and hopefully the Ibotta rebates are still around to get some of these for free. If your store was out of stock like mine was, or if you just don't want to get the Lysol wipes, you can also get the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners. These are $3.89 at my store. Buy one, get one 50% off. And we have a 50-cent digital coupon, and then we also have 50-cent printables from coupons.com. So if you use a digital for one and a printable for the other, you'd be left to pay $4.83. Earning back your $3 extra buck would make 2 of these just $1.83, which is a great price. LA Color and Wet n Wild gift sets are $4.99 each for a large variety of them, and they're spend $15, get back a $10 extra buck. And of course, the 98% rule still applies. You can grab 3 of whatever $4.99 gift sets that you want, totaling $14.97. I thought this manicure French tip set was super creative and cute and a good value for the money. They also have a bunch of different Wet n Wild gift sets. So you pay $14.97, earning back your $10 extra buck would make 3 of them just $4.97. Or if you guys have a 20% off email CRT, you could use that and you'd be left to pay just $11.97. You would not want to use any extra bucks to pay, because remember that extra bucks come off first and then the percent off CRT comes off after the extra bucks are taken off. So as you add extra bucks, the percent off CRT will get lowered and lowered and lowered until it basically takes off pennies. But if you do pay that $11.97, you'd earn back your $10 extra buck, making it just $1.97 for 3 gift sets. These are really cute stocking stuffer options for young girls maybe, or they'd be also really good donation items. We got yet another $3 off Gillette Intimate digital coupon, and these Gillette Intimate shave creams and chafe sticks are still on clearance. The chafe sticks are $3.79, 50% off on clearance. They would be just 79 cents after the $3 digital coupon, and then the shave cream is $4.29 on clearance, so it'd be just $1.29 after the $3 digital coupon. So I just keep stocking up on these every single time we get these new digital coupons on all 3 of my accounts. Crest toothpaste and Oral-B toothbrushes are buy 3 get back a $5 extra buck this week, and we just got a new 5 off 3 digital coupon. So one option for what you could do if you didn't use the 5 off 3, and if you still have your $2 digital for Crest toothpaste and $2 digital for the Oral-B toothbrushes, is grab 2 of the toothpaste and 1 of the toothbrushes. Make sure they're all priced at either $5 and above. At my store, the Crest Pro Health toothpaste are $5.29, so above $5. And then I found one of the Oral-B toothbrushes that was was above $5 at $5.99. So the 3 items for me total $16.57. The 5 off 3 will come off, and since all the items are priced above $5, the $2 digital for the Crest toothpaste and the $2 digital for the Oral-B toothbrushes will all double dip and come off, leaving you to pay just $7.57. Getting back your $5 extra book would make all 3 items just $2.57, and this would be a really great 3 items to throw in with a 10 off 70 receipt CRT to get up to that $70 spend threshold. Select Colgate toothpaste, including the Colgate Max Fresh, are buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck this week. So you could grab 2 of the Max Fresh. At my store, these are $5.29. So 2 of these would total $10.58. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You're going to get back a $4 extra buck when you buy 2, making 2 of them just $2.58. Not the best deal, but it'd be a good item to throw in with a spend CRT. I absolutely love the Poise pad deal this week. They are regularly priced at my store for $7.59 for the 30 count pads. We have 2 separate 5 off 2 digital coupons, so if you pick up 2, it would total you $15.18, and since both items are priced at either $5 even or above, they're $7.59. Both 5 off 2 digital coupons will double dip and come off, taking a total of $10 off, leaving you to pay just $5.18, but then you can submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each one that you bought, getting back a total of $4 from Ibotta, making your final cost just $1.18 for both, which is amazing. This would be a great item to throw into a 10 off 70 CRT, and then also you can submit to Fetch Rewards to get some bonus points, since Poise does give bonus points on Fetch Rewards. I'll have Fetch linked in the description box down below to sign up if you guys don't already have Fetch Rewards. The Kotex deal is back. They're buy 1 get 1 50% off, and buy 2 get back a $2 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of the liners at $1.89, totaling $2.84. You're gonna pay that, get back your $2 extra buck, makes 2 of them just 84 cents. Next up, we have a decent deal on Neutrogena facial care. Neutrogena and Aveeno facial care are spend 20, get back an $8 extra buck. I want to grab this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer with SPF at $25.79 just because I want to try this item. I'm going to use a 3 out of 10 Neutrogena CRT, and I actually have one from last week that's 1 day expired and one from this week. Now, CVS CRT supposedly stopped scanning expired whatsoever starting on December 14th, so I am going to test this deal out to see if that 1 day expired CRT will scan or not, and I'll let you guys know at the end of this video in my receipt breakdown. So if the 3 out of 10 CRT from last week and the 3 out of 10 CRT from this week both stacked together like they normally do and come off, along with the $3 digital coupon that we have for Neutrogena Hydro Boost, I should be left to pay $16.79, earning back my $8 extra buck, and then I can also submit to Ibotta for $5 back on this item, making my final cost just $3.79, which would be a really awesome deal. If that second 3 out of 10 CRT does not come off, the final cost would be $6.79, which would still be a great deal. The Real facial care masks are $3.99, and they're buy 1 get back a $3 extra buck, limit of 1, so you can grab up to 1 of these per card for just 99 cents. We have a Moneymaker CoverGirl deal. You can grab 2 of the CoverGirl Easy Brow Pencils that are $5.79 at my store. They're buy 2 get back a $5 extra buck, so 2 of them would total $11.58. You can use a $4 instant CRT that we got this week, and then we also have 2 separate digital coupons that'll apply to each one, a $4 off and a $2 off. So you should be left to pay $1.58, earning back your $5 extra buck would make 2 of them a $3.42 moneymaker. Maybelline this week is spend 15, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of the Maybelline Fit Me powders that are $7.79, totaling $15.58. You can use a 3 out of 15 Maybelline CRT, a $3 instant CRT that we got for Maybelline this week, and then also a $3 digital manufacturer coupon that we got for Maybelline. You'd be left to pay $6.58, earning back your $5 extra buck would make 2 of these just $1.58. I noticed the expiration on the $5 Neutrogena Cosmetic CRT was a full 7 days, so it actually expires today on Sunday. It's not 1 day expired, even though it is from last week. So hopefully CVS starts doing this so that we can use last week's CRTs on the following week. If you guys wanted to use this, you could grab 1 of the 21 count makeup wipes located in the cosmetic section that this is attaching to for $6.99. The $5 CRT would come off, leaving you to pay just $1.99, so that's not bad. All right, you guys, so I just wanted to confirm that expired CRTs, so 1 day expired CRTs, are no longer scanning at CVS, at least for my store. You can try it out at your store, but I think that it's going to be going away for all stores. They said that it would be updated by December 14th. It's December 17th today, and yes, they did not scan. I tried the $5 Revlon CRT from last week, and I tried a 3 out of 10 Neutrogena facial care 1-day expired CRT, and both of those were scanning as expired with no approval button. It used to scan as expired but had an approval button that a cashier could click approve on, and now that button is gone. So just an update, do not try to use 1-day expired CRTs. I will no longer be sharing and recommending to use 1-day expired CRTs because it's not going to work anymore. So for this first transaction, I did the CoverGirl, the Maybelline, and the Poise on one of my cards. For the CoverGirl, I had a $4 and a $2 digital. The 2 5 off 2 Depend and Poise digitals came off. My $3 Maybelline digital came off, and then my $4 CoverGirl CRT came off. My $3 new Maybelline CRT came off, and my 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. I used $10 in extra care bucks to pay. I had about a $3 subtotal that I put on my debit card, so $13 out of pocket, got back $10 in extra bucks, 5 for buying 2 of the CoverGirl and 5 for spending 15, I believe, on the Maybelline. Plus I got back $4 from Ibotta, $2 for each of the Poise pads. So spent out 13, got back 14, making this transaction a $1 moneymaker. Next up, I did the Neutrogena deal with the Hydro Boost. That was spend 20, get 8. I used a $3 digital coupon for the Neutrogena and a 3 out of 10 Neutrogena CRT. From this week, I tried to use a 1-day expired one as well to stack together, and it scanned as expire with no approval button, so I was only able to use one. I used $19 in extra care bucks to pay, got back an $8 extra buck plus $5 on Ibotta, so spent out 19, got back 13, making this Neutrogena Hydro Boost just a cost of $6, which I was definitely willing to pay for a $25 moisturizer. All right, next up, my 10 off 70 transaction. On this transaction, I grabbed the clearance Gillette Intimate, Kotex, the Lysol toilet cleaners, the Real face mask, the Colgate toothpaste, the Crest toothpaste and Oral-B toothbrush, the CoverGirl brow pencils, and then the Poise liners. All my digitals that I expected to came off came off. My $2 digital for the Oral-B, double dipping with the 5 off 3 oral care, the $3 digital for the clearance Gillette Intimate, the 50-cent Lysol, the 2 digital coupons for the CoverGirl, the 4 and the $2, the 5 off 2 and 5 off 2 for the Poise, both double dipping and coming off, and then the 4 off 2 for the Colgate. And then my 10 off 70 came off, and my $4 CRT for the CoverGirl came off. I used a total of $27 in extra bucks. My last $4 extra buck adjusted down, so I must have done my math a little bit wrong because I thought that I would have owed the full $4, but it's fine, just like 60 cents. So spent out 27, got back a total of $22 in extra bucks plus $4 from Ibotta, $2 for each of the Poise. And the $22 in extra bucks was from the $2 for the Kotex, the $3 for the Lysol, the $3 for the Real face mask, the $4 for the Colgate, the $5 for buying 3 of the Crest and Oral-B, the $5 for buying 2 of the CoverGirl. So spent out 27, got back a total of 26 between ECBs and Ibotta, making this transaction just a cost of $1. Here's my spend 30, get a $10 extra buck transaction. I did pretty much the exact same thing as last week with the $13.49 Tide Pods and the $13.49 Downy. I just substituted the Downy beads, the smaller Downy beads, at $6.99 for a $5.49 Gain Flings. My digitals that I had clipped for the Gain and the Tide Pods, they apply before the OTC network coupons. So since I had those two clipped, the Gain Flings I was expecting to come off because I had no OTC network coupon for, but the Tide Pods, the $3, technically should not have both worked with the $5 OTC coupon network coupon, but it did come off first since the gift card is applied at the end. So as you can see on this transaction, 2 $5 coupons for the OTC coupon network both came off for the Tide Pods and the Downy. Now, I want to give you guys an update because I was looking at my OTC network link for my phone number, the same link that I used last week, and it still showed the Tide and the Downy $5 listed there. So I tried to use my same barcode from last week, seeing if it had like multiple redemptions, but when I did use my same link that I used last week, it didn't work. But then I had my I logged into a separate pnggoodeveryday.com account, and I clipped the coupons and sent them to my mom's phone number and asked her to send me her link. And then I used her link and opened it in a private window on my Safari, and that barcode worked perfectly fine on my same phone device for the $5 off for the Pods and the Downy. So that was great. So I ended up using $14 in extra care bucks to pay, plus I had a $5 subtotal that I paid in cash after the $10 in OTC network. So I paid $19 out of pocket, got back my $10 extra buck, making this just a cost of $9. Not bad for over $30 worth of P&G laundry products, and you could have lumped this in with a 10 off 70 or like a 5 off 30, 5 off 20, 6 off 30, but I didn't have any of those and I didn't want to do a big 10 off 70 transaction. So this was a really, really good deal still. So if you guys do have any questions on using the OTC network coupons, leave it in the comment section down below. Basically, you just scan the barcode as a gift card and they have to enter the month and the date of the expiration. So on my coupons, it was January 2024, and then they just come off just like a gift card. So that's how it works. You guys can sign up for pngoodeveryday.com to get those coupons in the description box down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS video. Make sure to check out that Blue Apron deal for $14.96 for 4 meals in the description box down below in the pinned comment, and I will catch you guys in the next one.